Mobile electronics and computers are the United States' top two biggest imports from China.
So what will President Trump's new tariffs on the country mean for the phone and also the wallet in your pocket? Arman Rahman reports.
Whether you need a new phone or computer or need to get your old one repaired, experts say every part inside of our electronics is going to get more expensive due to the new tariffs on China.
Might start out as just a piece of metal, and then it goes to this country to be turned into a conductor, and then it comes back in the United States to be replaced into a computer.
And marketing professor Steve Knowles says along the way, there could be 3 different levels of tariffs hitting that product before it hits shelves.
We're talking like a $2 product is now going to cost them $4. So that means they're going to have to raise their prices by 50, 100%.
It leaves smaller businesses like Graphite Apple Repair on Madison's southeast side.
We don't sell the iPhone, but we sell the computers, iPads.
Waiting for Apple to make their move.
We never know what Apple's going to do because they keep everything pretty tight-knit. If they increase their prices, well, we have to increase our prices as well. If they keep them the same, we will also keep ours the same.
In the next year and a half, experts predict iPhones could be as expensive as $2,300.
I heard $3,500.
It really depends on the volume that it increases too. I mean, if it's a 10% increase, we're talking $100 on a $1,000 computer. It all depends on what people want to spend and what their priorities are.
And if you think hanging on to your phone as long as you can and repairing it along the way is the move,
I think they'll be in for a little sticker shock.
It's hard to say on part increases. I mean, that definitely could be affected. So it's kind of a gambling game.
Knowles says now more than ever, consumers need to be smart and vigilant.
Businesses that are unethical could absolutely take advantage of all this tariff confusion and artificially raise prices and blame it on the government's uncertainty. And that's going to hurt the consumer.
Reporting in Madison, Arman Rahman, News 3 Now.
Now, Noel expects the tariffs to hit smaller businesses harder, so he encourages consumers to buy local.